Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Craftsman V20 battery is not charging or not working properly and you don't have a charger handy, you might think there's no way to reset it, but that's not completely true. Sometimes these batteries go into a protection mode due to low voltage, overheating, or internal safety triggers, which makes them appear dead. This can be frustrating, especially when your tools stop working suddenly. The best thing is that there are a few safe methods you can try to wake the battery back up and reset it without using the charger, as long as you follow the steps carefully. Try these. Step 1. Remove the battery from the tool and inspect for damage. Step 2. Let the battery cool down completely if it was recently used. Step 3. Press and hold the battery indicator button. Step 4. Clean the battery terminals gently with a dry cloth. Step 5. Reinsert the battery into the tool and remove it again a few times. Step 6. Try using the battery in the tool to check if it responds.